hiking on Svalbard. Who'd have thought? Man, it's bleak. Bleak and beautiful. So that's the reason you can't just walk off on your own without a guide. It's illegal here to go out of town without being armed. Obviously none of us can be armed here because we're not licensed, so you need to book some sort of tour where you get a guide who's got a rifle. That's the reality of coming to Svalbard. It's nippy. So today we're doing a hike out of town, and I think it's about, how far is it, Jenny? About three miles up to the global seed vault and then onto a mine. So yeah, it's just nice to be off the ship and off the tarmac, even though the wind chill's a bit challenging. So I really prefer to hike either alone or with a small group of friends. Yeah, this is the reality of it though. I think we've got about, I don't know, 30 people, which is fine, but I'd rather be here on my own. Look at that view. So we're still going, just outside of Longyearbyen. We're actually heading up to the global seed vault, which I don't know if you can see, is up that great big hill. So we're just going to plod on up until we get there. I don't know what temperature is. What's the temperature? About 2, 3?
2 or 3 degrees, a bit more than the
Wow. We lost 2 people. We decided they can't handle it, so they're getting taken back to the ship. There's Longyearbyen Airport down there. Okay. I think we've got maybe another, I don't know, 100 metres of climb to get us up there. Whew. This landscape is like nothing I've seen before. So a little bit about the global seed vault. The seed vault was set up on Svalbard, I can't remember how many years ago, but the purpose of it is to protect all the plant species in the world. So any country that wants to bring some seeds to the seed vault, they have to pay it obviously, and then in the event of a kind of global catastrophe, a tsunami or volcano or God forbid an atomic weapon, these seeds are stored safely here so that the world can be repopulated with plant species. And unfortunately we can't go in these days. You used to be able to, but it's just really nice to come here and you know, I've seen it on photos and stuff, and it's yeah, it's quite a sobering thought really, knowing why it's here and what could happen. That's the philosophical thought of the day. at the bloody view though. So I think that's pretty much the end of the hike. The reason I'm standing in front of this snowbank is just to keep out of the wind. There's a really cold wind blowing down this mountain behind us. So yeah, I think we're just heading back to town and going to warm up, have some lunch, and then we're back out again this afternoon. So we'll bring you back later when we come back out. So change of plan. We were supposed to get picked up at the seed vault. But apparently we got there too early, so we're going to have to wait for about 45 minutes, and that was too long because it's absolutely freezing up there. So we decided to walk back down. So it's a double hike, but at least this bit's downhill and sheltered from the wind. I think maybe just going to walk back to the ship. It just depends, because I don't know when we could leave the guide. I guess once you get onto the main road into town, I would say it's okay. I don't really know. We'll see. All I know is it's bloody cold, isn't it?
Well, I'm alright.
I'm bloody cold. So cute. Okay, so we thought we'd nip into Longyearbyen just to see what it's like and have a bit of a walk around town. Maybe get a coffee. It's kind of a one-horse town, but it's quite nice. So yeah, let's have a look around, see what's happening. Not a lot by the looks of it. You can kind of tell you're somewhere a little bit strange when you're just walking down the street and there's a reindeer just munching away on the tundra. Wow. There you go, one reindeer. Well, we went to the Husky Cafe. Are you happy?
Happy.
Good. Played with the Huskies, had some coffee. The Huskies were super cute and friendly. So now we're probably covered in dog hair, but that's fine because it was that nice. So yeah, would we recommend the Husky Cafe?
Yes.
Definitely, it was great. If you're in Longyearbyen, go to the Husky Cafe. Okay, so this is pretty much downtown Longyearbyen. There's lots of apartments and businesses and stuff, but this is the main street. And I honestly never thought I'd be walking in downtown Longyearbyen, but here we are. It's a little bit nippy. Hey, look at this. Hang on. There's signs on buildings so you can't bring your firearms in. Luckily, I don't have one, so. We'll have to find an indoorsy shop where we can warm up for a bit.
Yeah.
Pardon? All right. You are?
A lot of money.
Were there?
Yeah.
Well, you expect things to be expensive up there, don't you? You know? Well, I think we're getting towards the end of town, aren't we? It looks like there's quite a few places to stay, though. It's a little kind of hostely place. You have a look in there. I'm just going to go by you. A little hotel on the left. Seems to be really set up for tourism. Up here there's lots of places where you can do, you know, go dog sledding or skidoos or bike tours, that kind of thing. And this little map of the centrum, but like I said, it's basically one street. Well, with the avalanche protection. Okay, so I think that's us. We're just going to head back and get on the ship. And looking at the weather, it's looking like it's going to be a couple of rough days down to Isafjord in Iceland, which will be tremendous fun. If not, right, I need to find Janie. It's just like when you're at home, but you like pass a dog or something out on the street, you just go, oh, there's a dog. It's bloody windy. Walking out of Longyearbyen town centre, and we've got 2 days till Isafjord, so I'm going to get back on the ship and hunker down because it's going to be bad, isn't it? Right, we'll bring you back and we're approaching Iceland, hopefully.